Okay, now that we're back at this anchor point, we're going to get into the next exercise, and that's going to be the half kneeling press to overhead lift. We're going to change the attachment to just a normal short handle. Okay, and then you're probably going to want some moderate resistance on this one, whatever that means to you. Obviously play around with it. We're going to begin in this half kneeling position. So we're going to start kind of in a Palloff sort of press here, and then we're going to raise overhead. As you get overhead, the thing is going to want to take you that way. So the goal is to resist that lateral rotation and to use your core to stabilize. So outside leg is forward, start clasping your fingers here, punch out in front of your belly button, lift overhead, and back down and reset. Ready for some fun?
Yep.
Okay, so outside leg is forward. Once again, if you have any knee pain when you're doing this, use a foam pad or a pillow, whatever you need to. There you go. Use that core, engage, engage, engage. Good. The goal is to get your arms at least in line with your ears when you get overhead, but obviously your strength will kind of dictate that too, as well as your mobility. Good. Bring it all the way back in each time. This looks really good. Is that challenging?
Yeah.
Yeah. You definitely feel it as you further you get overhead, the more challenging it becomes to your core. And this one's really good because this is a missing piece that we don't get a lot of. So we're getting a little bit of anti-rotation as we're here. And then as we get overhead, it's going to want to do that lateral side bending. So it's anti-lateral side bending. And good. We're going to do about 8 repetitions on each side. So in a second here, we're going to change the anchor for filming purposes, but make sure you do both sides. Okay, for the other side, same thing here. We're going to have outside leg forward. We're going to start at our belly button, hands clasped. We're going to punch out straight, get those arms all the way straight, and then we're going to try to keep our core really engaged and tight. So this one seems a little bit more challenging for Seth. So do exactly what he just did. If it's more challenging, I want you to use your judgment and kind of scoot in closer to the vector so then you can stabilize a little bit better. Good. Core engaged. Good. And it should be appropriately challenging. If you're able to do 100 repetitions, it's probably not challenging enough, and you probably either need to scoot out or change the resistance level on your vector. 8 to 12 reps here, and then we'll get into the next exercise. Good. This looks great. So you should be kind of like really kind of using that glute that you're stabilizing on to keep that center of mass. Okay, and that is the half kneeling press to overhead lift.